Cdragon LED buttons, arcade joystick with the light on and we weaken light. Okay, it's the feeling in some not strong light environment. Turn on the light. And how to change the buttons color. Yeah, button color become blue, red, green joystick. Okay, we can also turn off joystick light. Okay, let's see what's in the side. For the side part, this is the side part. On the back part, joystick light on and off, and the switch to green, blue, red colors in the back. More stable, more firm. Side LED. And it's very cool to play the games in light on environment or weak light environment. Okay, check it again. Blue light, red light, green light. Okay. So, welcome to order this joystick from Cdragon Game Store. I'm Jimmy Chen. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.